I'm always looking for a better and easier way to clean the corrosion off the battery terminals on my car. Dirty corroded terminals can keep your car from starting. So I purchased the Schumacher BAF B1 terminal cleaning brush. I really love that this one product is so fast and easy to use, cleaning my battery terminals and clamps. In this video, I'll show you how to use it and explain why I just love it. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use and recommend in the description down below. You know, I really like the Schumacher terminal cleaning brush because it works on top and side terminal batteries for both the positive and negative, and it has the integrated brush for cleaning the inside of the clamps. So to clean your battery terminals, first start by turning your car engine off. Now, if you want to save the memory in your car's computer, the clock, and the radio presets, before disconnecting the battery, you can always hook up the battery terminals to one of these Noco GB40 power supplies. Now, this old girl, obviously, it doesn't have any of those electronics, so we won't have to worry about that. So it's a good idea to protect your eyes, as some of the corrosion could become airborne and get into your eyes, and wear rubber gloves. Start by scraping away some of the corrosion with a screwdriver. Then disconnect the negative terminal first. Sometimes you have to use a screwdriver to spread the terminal a little bit to get it to loosen up. So in a disposable cup, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And then we're going to add some warm water to make it like a thick paste. And then you can add some of the baking soda and water. And you see this bubbling here. That just shows you that it's working. So you let it sit on there for, I don't know, about 5 or 8 minutes. But basically till it stops bubbling. Then just using some water, you can just spray and clean that up. The clamp should now come loose, yeah, as you can see, and loosen up the positive. Take that one off too. Set that aside. Spray some more water, and then just clean it up with a rag. And then to clean terminals themselves, this is where the Schumacher brush comes in. Just twist it back and forth. And that cleans up both terminals. And then you just open it up and you can access the brush to do the inside of the clamps. And the same for the positive. And then replace the clamps, again, the reverse order, so you do the positive first. Sure, the brush works great, but as you can see, you also need some extras like the baking soda, gloves, eye protection. Click here for my next video on getting your car ready for winter, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.